So today we are starting a project that the boys are super excited about. We are going to start building the loft. So this loft is ultimately meant to be like a little nook, just a place to hang out, a cozy little space. We envision like, you know,
books up there.
Yeah, cozy seating, just enjoying the view. It's not meant to be a bedroom. However, right now, until we build the bedroom wing of the house on, it's going to be the boys' room to sleep in. So that's what today's project is.
Yeah, so we'll start framing the floor up first, obviously, to the floor joists, and start putting blocking underneath there to hold it up in place.
Yep, we got everything cleaned up in here so that we have some space to work, and I guess we're gonna go start unloading the trailer.
Yep, fun. Let's go. Please.
Aye, boss.
Is that a snort? You just snort? You laugh? Alright, so that's 9 foot to the top right here. So we'll see if we like it, we'll leave it.
Okay.
Then we'll build something off back here. We'll put a laser on it and shoot the laser across so everything's exactly the same. So then if you measure from this point and that point, that point, that's not gonna be the same.
Right.
We'll establish 1 point, get 9 foot in this end, we shoot a laser across, it's all the same. Follow me on that?
Sounds good.
9 foot. We're doing it backwards.
Josh got the laser attached to the wall. It's high up, so it's shining perfectly for us. You can see all these red marks right along here. So this is going to ensure that when we put the floor joists up, that they are straight and level. So that being said, we're going to start by working our way back forward so that we're not blocking the laser, obviously, and we can keep moving forward.
So, coming across with the 2x10s for the floor for the Loft. We got that header right there in the way. It's at an angle. It's a 56-degree angle. So check it out right here. Let's take my speed square. If I come over, take a look, Ben. Put it over here. Put on your pivot right there. I pulled it. Do you see where it stops on 56 right there? That's how I get my 56-degree angle. Easy enough.
Yep.
So now we're gonna go ahead and cut this one. Use this for the mock-ups. We're gonna use this anymore. We'll throw this on top of the other one. Just mark them real quick and go through, cut them off.
what do you think?
Awesome!
Good spot for you?
Yep.
So we got the floor joists installed, the OSB is down. So this side of the loft is getting supported by the header for the dormer. We have that thing beefed up with, I don't know, what, 7 2x12s? So half this side is hanging on the header. And we also have a wall being built on this side also that's holding this side up. So on the other side, the opposite side, we actually put blocking on the rafters to help hold the floor joist up so it's not getting held up solely by nails.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah.
What else we got?
So that's pretty much it. Definitely for now. We still obviously need to put in the window, stairs, railing, and we're gonna put up a small wall, like
tiny
a
little
12-inch high little
Yeah.
area so that we can put plugs in and whatnot along the side. So that's pretty much it. The boys are really excited about this space, so that makes us feel good, and we're getting a little bit closer to being done. So I guess that's it, guys. If you enjoy our videos, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Yep. We have a wall can be built. That's all, folks.